There's nothing more frustrating as a beginner than not knowing what sounds, plugins, and presets that you need to use to create a certain genre like Deep House or Amapiano. Hey guys, this is Kevin. I am going to take you through another Amapiano production guide where I will be showing you the top must use or must have plugins that will help you in your journey of making Amapiano beats and songs in no particular order. Share, like, and subscribe for more content. Also click on that bell icon to be the first notified of my new videos. The first plugin we're going to look at is Purity. This VST has been the heart of modern Amapiano, used by popular producers such as Jazzy Disciples, Kabza the Small, Lou 911, among other Amapiano giants. Literally, you can make a complete beat song using this single VST. From its pianos, saxophones to bells and basses, pads and strings, this is indeed an all-in-one powerful tool for an Amapiano producer. A familiar sound in this VST is the one and only popular preset called Tremolo Signal. It's crazy how just putting this one preset on your beat can automatically make it sound like a proper Amapiano song in an instant. The second VST is Hypersonic. This VST has a large library of sounds such as strings, pads, guitars, pianos, mallets, basses, the list goes on. Amapiano is or can be defined by its heavy use of pianos, though mostly electric pianos than acoustic pianos. Hypersonic has various electric pianos that can suit your different tastes and also acoustic pianos too. You can also find that tropical Caribbean instrument which is called a steel drum. And also this one. This sound saw prominence during the early days of Amapiano, where the songs were mostly instrumentals. The third plugin we are going to look at is GMS, which is a stock plugin that comes with FL Studio. I chose to put this plugin in this list because of its preset, which is Diablo. Oh man, I can say this preset was, correct me if I'm wrong, popularized by the song La Bantwana Mauba. Another sound you can find in this plugin is called Dirty Horse, which is similar to the pad used in La Bantwana Mauba. Number 4 is FreeDX10. This stock plugin is the core of modern Amapiano. The hip-hop subgenre trap has its own bass, which is the 808 kick. The same can be said with Amapiano. We have our own unique bass, which is an electronic log drum that can be found on this plugin, FreeDX10. And let me show you. You can also find two sub basses that you can use along with your log drum bass line that can make it powerful. The first one is called E flute, and the second one is called FM sub. There's a guide on this log drum preset I did, which I will link in the video description, where I explain everything you need to know regarding this preset. Be sure to check it out. Another sound you can find is this jazz guitar preset. You can find an alternative VST that is called DDX10 that has the staple Amapiano log drum, and also the jazz guitar, Unfortunately, I cannot find those two bass lines. I'm thinking you can create your own bass lines on this VST. The last plugin we are going to look at is B4. This is an organ VST, so if you want to make Amapiano beats similar to Vigro, which feature freestyling organs like these, then this is the plugin for you. Unfortunately, it's difficult to find the original B4 VST because it has been discontinued by Native Instruments, and the only one you can find is the second version of it, which is B4 2, and this is the version that I have, this one. If you have the original version, then good for you, mate. However, you can also use this version of B4 as it also has some good sounding organs. If you know of any other plugins and VSTs that are used in Amapiano, share them in the comment section to help other producers, and also tell me in the comments what your favorite plugin you use when making Amapiano is. If you like this video, please click like and please subscribe if you haven't already for more guides and tutorials, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.